Hello guys, good afternoon to everyone. Narito po tayo ngayon sa Fortuna Badminton Court. Meron po tayo ditong tournament ng BBC Group. So, yung BBC Group po guys, nagpapa-tournament po sila ng parang twice a year. So, ito po yung tournament na nagaganap, no? Ayan.
Hello, partner.
Hello, how are you? How are you, my partner? This is my partner in
Hi, guys.
next game.
We are going to rock.
What can you say today? Today's tournament, you're the one sponsor, right?
Yes, I'm sponsoring for a hotel stay for two couples for a night with breakfast.
Yeah, that one, no?
Yes, and then we also have a seafood in the restaurant, so it's going to be a fantastic time together.
What is the name of the restaurant?
Name of the restaurant is, it's a newly launched. I still don't remember. Sorry about it. So, but anyway, you can go around, show them just, have a look and feel.
Thank you so much, my partner. Punta po tayo guys sa organizer. Actually, ito yung group na kung saan ako lagi naglalaro. So, dito po ako belong sa group na ito. So, puntahan po natin yung mga organizer. Dapat po is kasali ako dito sa mga organizer. Kaso, tatlo po yung registration ko kaya hindi kinaya ng ating energy. Kaya, sila na lang po muna ang mag-asikaso, guys. So, ito po yung mga magagandang dilag. Ito po yung magagandang dilag. So, ang sipag po nila, di ba? Ayan. At may nagugutom na. Ayun. Ayan. Sila po yung nag-organize. At ito po yung isa sa sponsor ng tournament. Ayan. Sila po yan. So, ito yung sponsor ulit. Ito yung kanilang food, guys. So, Filipino food. Ayan, meron din silang milk tea. Milk tea flavor. Meron silang chocolate, strawberry, at iba pang flavor ng milk tea. Ayan. So, punta tayo sa kabila, guys. So, ito yung mga players. Ayan. Ayan po ang ating mga players. Mga waiting players po. Ayan. Dahil mamaya pa po ang ating laban. Kaya, mag-vlog muna po tayo. So, ayan ha.
Nado na yung kalaban nyo sa court 5.
Okay guys, thank you for watching.
Sabi ko sa'yo.